Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasyapi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Menteri Ramba Kejala Conrad ke Sangma ha ke pratarik ujemang arjar khat khandai rengkat ke jing senran lang jong menteri ketenat yelakai sports uba bantai dor lengdo bat ki he officer ula Hiar ban Jurip ya ke Jaka bantai ya ke kerdop talasi mender lane ke entry and exit point ha ke station rail ke padon ha ke Shnong Mendipathar ke bahap ha North Garo Hills district. Kani ke jing le Jurip Menteri Ramba Kejala kalong hadien ke jing terwa jong u hapo ke yeng dorbar tau an Kejala hau benai nailor arjar khatpra ban bu no ya ke entry and exit point ha ke station rail ke banengkong ha Kejala Meghalaya namar lengba kani kan plelat ban yoshna ya kiwei ke lenti rail ha kani Kejala.
The entire purpose was to check the facilitation center and how to move forward to ensure that the center comes up at the earliest. And I'm very pleased to inform everyone that all the officials were present. The land has been identified. The process of taking over the land and the process of setting up the facilitation center is already started, and we have instructed the CEPWD building to ensure that the construction work starts at the earliest. So we're very hopeful that the facilitation center the work will start on that very, very soon. And I think the progress is very good. I'm very happy, and I think it was a very positive trip that we made today. We are expecting this to take anything between 3 to 6 months. We're hoping that we'll try to finish it as soon as possible. But on the safer side, we'll keep it at the 6 months. But I think we should be able to complete it before that.